Hello, I am Aditya Jagannatham, a faculty member in the Electrical Engineering Department at IIT Kanpur. I would like to inform you about our certification program on artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. This program will include extensive Python projects using real-world data sets in several fields such as science, engineering, medicine, business, and cover several cutting-edge Python packages such as KERAS, TENSORFLOW, NUMPY, PANDAS, and so on. This is an excellent program for UG students, PG students, PhD scholars, faculty members, and industry professionals looking to enhance their skills for projects, research, and placements. This program will also include test and interview preparation sessions for AIML. I look forward to seeing you all in this program. Thank you.